Master, the Brahmos insist that God is formless. Suppose they do. It is enough to call on him with sincerity of heart. If the devotee is sincere, then God, who is the inner guide of all, will certainly reveal to the devotee his true nature. But it is not good to say that what we ourselves think of God is the only truth, and what others think is false. That because we think of God as formless, therefore he is formless and cannot have any form. That because we think of God as having form, therefore he has form and cannot be formless. Can a man really fathom God's nature? This kind of friction exists between the Vaishnavas and the Shaktas. The Vaishnava says, "My Keshava is the only savior," whereas the Shakta insists, "My Bhagavati is the only savior." Once, I took Vaishnavacharan to Mathur Babu. Now, Vaishnavacharan was a very learned Vaishnava and an orthodox devotee of his sect. Mathur, on the other hand, was a devotee of the Divine Mother. They were engaged in a friendly discussion, when suddenly Vaishnavacharan said, "Keshava is the only savior." No sooner did Mathur hear this than his face became red with anger, and he blurted out, "You rascal!" All laugh. He was a Shakta. Wasn't it natural for him to say that? I gave Vaishnavacharan a nudge. I see people who talk about religion constantly quarreling with one another. Hindus, Musalmans, Brahmos, Shaktas, Vaishnavas, Shaivas, all quarrel with one another. They haven't the intelligence to understand that he who is Krishna is also Shiva and the primal Shakti, and that it is he again who is called Jesus and Allah. There is only one Ram, and he has 1,000 names. Truth is one, only it is called by different names. All people are seeking the same truth. The variance is due to climate, temperament, and name. A lake has many ghats. From one ghat, the Hindu takes water in jars and calls it Jal. From another ghat, the Musalmans take water in leather bags and call it Pani. From a third, the Christians take the same thing and call it water. All laugh. Suppose someone says that the thing is not Jal but Pani, or that it is not Pani but water, or that it is not water but Jal. It would indeed be ridiculous. But this very thing is at the root of the friction among sects. Their misunderstandings and quarrels. This is why people injure and kill one another and shed blood in the name of religion. But this is not good. Everyone is going toward God. They will all realize Him. if they have sincerity and longing of heart. To M. This is for you. All scriptures, the Vedas, the Puranas, the Tantras, seek Him alone and no one else. Only that one Satchidanand. That which is called Satchidanand Brahman in the Vedas is called Satchidanand Shiva in the Tantra. Again, it is He alone who is called Satchidanand Krishna in the Puranas.